Yo, what's up everyone? It's Learning Factors here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of cutting-edge tech with a countdown of the top 5 futuristic gadgets that look like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're talking about the kind of innovation that makes you question if you're still living in 2023. These gadgets are not only innovative but also incredibly cool. Get ready to have your mind blown because things are about to get futuristic up in here. Kicking things off at number 5, we have smart contact lenses. Now imagine a world where checking your notifications, reading your messages, or even getting directions is as simple as looking at, well, nothing. That's the future smart contact lenses promise. These aren't your grandma's contacts. We're talking about micro-engineered lenses with built-in displays, sensors, and even tiny processors. They overlay digital information directly onto your field of vision, basically giving you a heads-up display, right in your eye. Think about it. No more bulky VR headsets or constantly pulling out your phone. Need to check your calendar? Boom, it's right there. Incoming call? You'll see it without missing a beat. The possibilities are insane, and we're just scratching the surface. Coming in at number 4 is something straight out of a Star Wars film, the holographic smartphone. Remember Princess Leia's iconic message in A New Hope? Yeah, we're getting close to that level of awesome. This isn't your typical slab of glass and metal. This phone projects 3D holograms that you can interact with in real time. Imagine video calling someone and seeing them appear as a 3D projection right before your eyes. Or, how about playing a mobile game with characters that literally pop out of the screen? It's a level of immersion we've never seen before, and it has the potential to revolutionize everything from entertainment to communication. Can you imagine attending a concert or a sporting event from the comfort of your living room with a holographic display that makes you feel like you're actually there? The future is wild, guys. Chapter 3. The end of cracked screens, the self-healing phone screen. At number 3, we have something that will make all the clumsy folks out there rejoice, the self-healing phone screen. We've all been there. That heart-stopping moment when you drop your phone and see the spiderweb of cracks across the display. But what if your phone could heal itself? This technology uses special materials that can repair minor scratches and cracks on their own. Imagine a world where screen protectors are a thing of the past, and you never have to worry about shelling out hundreds of dollars for a screen replacement. The science behind this is fascinating, with researchers exploring things like microcapsules filled with healing agents that are released upon impact. It's like magic, but it's real science, and it's coming soon to a pocket near you. Chapter 4. Breaking down barriers, the wearable translator. Sliding into number 2 is a gadget that has the potential to change the world, the wearable translator. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past, where you can communicate effortlessly with anyone, regardless of what language they speak. That's the promise of the wearable translator. This could be anything from an earbud to a necklace that instantly translates spoken languages in real time. Traveling to a foreign country? No problem. Need to have a business meeting with international clients? Easy peasy. This tech could bridge cultural divides, foster global understanding, and open up a world of opportunities. It's like something out of Star Trek, but without the need for a universal translator device. Chapter 5, Traffic is for the birds, the flying car. And finally at number 1 we have the holy grail of futuristic gadgets, the flying car. We've been promised flying cars for decades, and it looks like the future is finally arriving. Companies around the world are developing personal aerial vehicles that can take off and land vertically, navigating through the air with ease. Imagine bypassing traffic jams, soaring above congested roads, and getting to your destination in a fraction of the time. The flying car is the ultimate symbol of a futuristic world, and it's closer than you might think. Of course, there are still some hurdles to overcome, like regulations and infrastructure, but the dream of taking to the skies in our own personal flying machines is getting closer every day. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 mind-blowing futuristic gadgets. From holographic displays to self-healing screens, these innovations are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Thanks for watching. Which of these futuristic gadgets would you want to get your hands on? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech content. We'll see you in the next one.